Hey guys! Today I want to show you how to replace a toilet seat by yourself. It can be done very easily. You don't need to call anyone for help. I have a broken toilet seat here. It broke right here in the hinges. It's not fixable and these seats are very cheap, so I'm just going to install a new one. Stay tuned. Toilet seats are held by in place with two bolts right under these little caps. They're just click on, easy to open, and bolts are usually plastic like these, and you tighten them with these plastic nuts underneath, and that's it. Nothing complicated. Mine will be a bit more maybe because I have a bidet attachment, as you see. Bidets are healthier options. I got mine online, paid around 30 bucks, but it saves money in the long run and also environmental right thing to do to preserve some trees. It was really easy to install. There's a slim hose connected to the unit and it connects to the water supply. All you have to do is attach this splitter or T to your water tank and that's it. Okay, now back to our seat replacement. This is the new seat. Mine has a round profile. You might have elongated. You have to measure and make sure what size, what type you have before you order it, if you are ordering it online. And it comes with this hardware and the instruction how to do it. And hardware has two soft gaskets for the bottom of the hinges and also bolts, two bolts and two nuts. I'm gonna put the gaskets in first. Just like that, it locks in. And then I'm going to uninstall the old toilet. All you need is a flathead screwdriver. And this is the broken piece, just came off. Same thing for the other side. In the meantime, it's a perfect time to hit the like button for me. That helps a lot. Thank you guys for your support. And if you do notice, my floors are painted in gray. I painted them with epoxy, so I have a link right above here for you, and also at the end of this video you can find that link if you're interested in painting your tiles. So the toilet seat is out. Now I'm going to line up the bidet first. It's adjustable, and then I'm gonna put the seat on top of it, and then I'll be using the same bolts to secure them both together to the toilet bowl. If you don't have a bidet attachment, this step will be much easier for you. You just have to put the seat on top of the toilet bowl and put the bolts through the holes, but now I have to line up all the three, which is not too bad, but still. At this point you should also see if the front is lining up, just roughly, and once you start to tighten up the bolts you're gonna have to check it again just to make sure they're not crooked. Then just simply drop in the bolts and tighten them with these nuts that they provide you. And that's it. It's that simple. It's one of the easiest DIY things you can do at home. You don't really need to call anyone. Just make sure to tighten it really nice with your screwdriver. Mine is nice and snug. One last time and I'm done. Click it back and that's it. Thank you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.